Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. Today's video is all about chart analysis of few potential stocks for the coming week. Before going further, I would like to thank for the positive comments on the last video. Show your support through subscribing our channel. Now let's move forward to our analysis part. My first pick is GSFC Limited. It is a company which is principally engaged in production of fertilizers and chemicals. This is the weekly time frame chart of GSFC Limited. I already mentioned in previous videos, whenever a stock is forming higher highs and higher lows, it is called a bullish structure. And whenever a stock is making lower highs and lower lows, it is called bearish structure. If we observe the previous price action, the stock formed a bearish structure falling continuously in a descending channel. Always remember one thing, a bearish candle formation right at the resistance and a bullish candle formation right at the support has more strength. Now look at this bearish engulfing pattern right at the channel resistance. See what happened next. Observe here, there is a doji candle formed right after this carry fall. So what does this doji candle indicates? A doji candle means there is an indecisiveness between buyers and sellers. Until this formation of doji, the bears are in complete control and dragging the prices down. Now this green candle formed right after this doji gives us an indication that bulls cleared the indecisiveness and took the charge. Then the control was shifted from bears to bulls. After that, we can see there is a shift in trend and the stock is moving up, taking support at this trend line. Whenever a stock is moving up, always watch out for the previous swing highs because it acts as a resistance level. If we observe the price action at this previous swing high, you can see there was a rejection at this level. The wick on top of this candle is a proof for that. There is also a fall from this resistance level, but there is no strength in that fall because the volumes are also falling. Later, price broke this resistance and next swing high resistance with huge volumes. Now, let's do our further analysis on daily time frame chart. You can see the stock formed a symmetric triangle pattern. The targets for this pattern is the length of the triangle base measured from this breakout level. So on breakout, 140 will be my initial pattern target with SL below 108 on closing basis. And I will also target for all-time high around 166 levels. This is my trading plan in this stock. Bajaj Electricals is my second pick. It is engaged in business of consumer products, engineering, procurement and construction. This is Bajaj Electricals chart on daily time frame. And the stock gave a breakout from this consolidating range with huge surge in volumes. It also gave a breakout from this double top resistance. And I also observe 20 and 50 MA crossover is about to happen. So I'll be adding some quantity on Monday session and the balance if it comes for retest to 1090 levels. My initial stop will be 1060 and I am targeting for 1200 and 1295. Oberoi Realty, the company which is in business of real estate development and hospitality, is my third pick. This is the weekly time frame chart of this stock. The zone I am drawing right now rejected the price multiple times and was acting as a resistance zone. If we observe the price action here, this candle with huge volumes broke this resistance zone. The retest also done with contraction of the volumes and from there, price started moving up with expansion of volumes. This is the daily time frame chart and it is making a structure of higher highs and higher lows. The price action from the past few sessions clearly indicates it had given a breakout from previous swing high and now taking support at that level. This is called resistance turned support level. So my trading plan is I will be entering this stock with initial stop below 650 and the levels I marked on this chart are resistance levels. Ramco Industries is engaged in business of manufacture of fiber cement sheets and calcium silicate boards. This is my last pick. This is monthly time frame chart of this stock and it broke the all-time high resistance with huge volumes in the last session. It's a debt-free company with PE less than the industry PE and currently trading at a price below its book value. So I'll be adding few quantity in this stock and the balance at retest of 325 levels. My initial stop is below 300 on closing basis. And the levels on the screen are resistance levels you need to watch out. So that's all for today's video. This video is for learning purpose. Consult your financial advisor before taking trade. If you enjoy this analysis, help our channel to grow by liking and sharing this video. TradeGreen Official, all social platform account links are provided in the description below. Do follow and join us there too. This is Sia Vijay from TradeGreen. We wish you all TradeGreen for your next trading session. Thanks for watching.